Hi, I'm Ali and I've been a facialist for the last 6 years, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to actually look younger in literally 14 days by facial massage and tapping. We're then going to finish off with the all-important lymphatic drainage massage release. This is great, particularly if you have older skin. I'm 53, so 50s and over, amazing. So first of all, I'm just going to sit down. I'm placing my hands on my shoulders and I'm just very gently massaging or moving backwards with the shoulders backwards in a round circular motion. So just releasing any tension within the shoulders, which then actually almost links up to the neck and then the facial area. And let's just do this forward as well, just releasing any tight tension. And then I'm taking my fingers here, I'm placing one hand as an anchor, the other hand I'm using fairly flat, and from the collarbone here, I'm just very gently gliding along underneath the collarbone towards the armpit. This is a really great starting point for lymphatic drainage. And then the flat of the hand on the other side, again, just very gently gliding along from the centre of the chest towards the armpit under the collarbone. So once we've done that, we've got everything kind of ready, I'm going to apply a little bit of facial oil here, and I've got a rosehip oil, and I'm applying it to clean skin. If you have a favourite face cream, that's great. You just need something for a bit of slip and glide so you're not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling at it. And obviously as you get older you tend to lose collagen and elastin within the face, so it becomes more wrinkly, so we don't want to be adding to any more wrinkles. If anything, we need to be reducing and getting rid of them, if you like. So I'm just placing onto the neck here as well. So where the collarbone is just above, we have some indentations, and I'm just giving those a few gentle presses. And then with the flat of the hand, I'm holding one hand down as an anchor, I'm lifting up towards the chin, along the chin to behind the ear, and then down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And this is fairly light. We have very fine skin on the neck area, so you don't want to be too heavy-handed. And we just give this a lovely massage. And then on the other side, holding the hand as an anchor, flat of the hand from the collarbone, lifting upwards along the jawline, back of the ear, down the big SCM muscle. And one last time. And then with the fingers, just a little bit of gentle tapping, just to get blood flow and circulation to the area as well. And then the last thing on the neck, we're taking the fingers and we're just lifting up with our fingers, nice flicking motion all the way along. So once we've done that, let's work on now the lower part of the face. So I'm placing my thumbs under my chin, the fingers above, and just gently massaging all along the jawline towards the ears here. Got my fingers almost as a crook, so you're really going through. And then lifting up under the cheekbone towards the ears. So thumb placed under the chin, fingers coming all along those potential smile and marionette lines under the cheekbone towards the ears and lower part of the face. I actually really enjoy this move, it's a really good one. And of course, whatever product you've placed on your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. If you can use good quality products, preferably organic, that's even better. But obviously whatever suits your skin type. So now I'm taking my fingers, I'm just coming from the nose here, the bridge of the nose, and just gliding down towards the nostrils. Massaging either side of the nostril, and then again under the cheekbone towards the ears here. And then with the ring finger, because we have a lighter touch, I'm coming down halfway to the nose area and then under the eye where the bone is. Under the eye, you don't want to go too far up. The skin around the eyes is the most delicate, so you need to be very fine and feather-like touched here. This is towards the temples. And then just gently tapping, a bit more blood flow and circulation on the forehead, where we don't tend to have so much skin here. Well, not so much skin, so much fat, if you like. So just gently tapping it. And then placing one hand as an anchor, taking my fingers and just very gently massaging along. Also between the eyebrows, there's potential frown and smile lines. And then on the other side. Remembering to keep the shoulders down, it's very easy to hoik them up. And then I'm just taking my finger down by the chin, taking my two fingers, I'm coming from the chin where those potential smile lines are, coming upwards towards the nose area, along the nose, and up and along. Now, I do actually have a course on Udemy. If you're interested, it will be in the description box down below. And I also do one-to-one private lessons if you would like some facial massage, extra lessons and techniques, and lymphatic drainage. Again, I'll put that in the description box. And one last time here, just all along. And then placing the other hand as an anchor, taking the two fingers. Also, you can use fingers each way, coming along and along, which I'll do it this way, it's easier for you to see. Along, up. And one last time. And now I'm going to place my fingers onto my forehead and interlocking them, and then just very gently glide along the forehead. This is really light. Now what we're doing here is we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, and the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so just a light feather-light touch, and then with the ring finger under the eyebrows very lightly, and under the eyes, again where the bone is. And what we're doing here, because we're moving the toxins and waste, we're also then revealing slightly more glowing skin, if you like. And then fingers placed under the chin and fingers above, just very gently gliding the facial area, nice and light above the cheekbone here, and then further down. And where we have lots of lymph nodes under the jawline, we're just moving the thumb under the jawline as well. And so now I'm taking my fingers and I'm just massaging the bottom of the ear and then working my way in a round circular motion towards the top of the ear and then down to the bottom of the ear again. And then let's just do that one last time, to the top, to the bottom. And then I'm going to massage under the hairline here, so the bottom of the head, top of the neck. Again, if you get a little extra tender point, just give it a little extra massage out. And then when the fingers are touching, just gently glide down the big SCM muscle, either side of the neck down to the collarbone. At this point, you may want to swallow, as you can literally feel things moving around from this lymphatic drainage massage. And then for the final release, from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, just above, we have some indentations, if you like. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this facial area to really help with glowing skin, and it's really effective. And if you do this in 14 days, you really will see a difference on your face. So I will post another video here. If you'd like to join me there, that would be great. Please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed for more content, and a thumbs up if you found the video useful. And also comment down below, tell me where you're from and if there's any other exercises you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.